Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to online banking account of Lloyds Bank. So in order to set up online banking account, you have to make sure that you have already registered your account. And then to begin with, open up a browser. In my case, I'm using a browser as the interface won't appear. But then you can also use an application. For that, you have to download it. And when you open up your web browser, then you need to type in Llyods.com. So when you type in lloydsbank.com, it's going to take you to the official page, and here you need to first of all select whether it's a personal account, business, or private banking, international banking, whatsoever. You tap on the following type of account, then click on log on from the top right, and then go to select personal or your account type, and then scroll down a bit and then go to register for internet banking. When you press on it, now you begin with the registration process. So make sure to mark on all of these terms and conditions and click on register here. Now you have to go ahead and first of all inform about yourself. First thing, your name, your date of birth, your email address, and all that. So go through it and enter in the information. Next page will begin with the contact info. So according to your offline banking, you have to provide in the same exact phone number or your contact details. And when you've done that, moving on, you have to go ahead and create your login field as well. And when you create your login field, that's going to take you to the terms and condition page where you have to go through it, and sometimes it's going to notify that it's going to take a couple of hours for your activation of your online banking account, or for in some cases you might have successfully created your account in no time. So that's how you can set up online banking account on your mobile device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.